I really want to share this amazing climb with you. Basically, this one individual climb has more than 40 switchbacks, and that is over around 9.5k, which is just... I've never ridden that many switchbacks in that short space of distance. So it's made up of 2 different segments, and the first segment is called Montée de Albiez-le-Jeune, which is the 9.5k, 666 metres, 7%. And then that goes on to Col de Maglard, which is about another 6k on top of that, and there are more switchbacks up there. So the actual total itself is probably like 45, maybe even a little bit more. But we just couldn't believe when we were riding this, like how many switchbacks there are. It has the climb itself has been featured in the Tour de France before, but it's not one that I had ever really heard of, and so I want to share it with you because I feel like it's a very special climb. We mistakenly booked our accommodation at the top of this, so we either had to leave for the day down it and then come back up it at the end, which was quite challenging to say the least. One day we'd actually use the car to come back up, but it is an absolutely incredible climb, so I wanted to share it with you and just let you know that there are a lot of switchbacks. So if you're into switchbacks, then that is the climb that you need to go and do. I think Stelvio Pass in Italy has got 48, but I don't know of any that in the French Alps that have more than 40. So I thought I'd just share this little bit of exciting route with you. So the footage actually is me going down it, because going up it would have just taken way too long to film. So this is kind of like going backwards, if you like, but it is just an incredible climb. It's really quiet. There aren't many cars that are using that road. I mean, there are a few, but not many. There's odd cyclists up there, but still, it's not like majorly busy. I think more people go into like Alpe d'Huez when that's only got 21 switchbacks. So I mean, I say only 21, still quite a lot of switchbacks, but this one is just incredible. I'm also going to include the relive as well, just so that you can actually see how many switchbacks there are kind of from above, because it is just incredible. I absolutely loved it. I think by the end of the holiday I was kind of getting a little bit fed up of switchbacks, because you are just literally on the brakes the whole time. There isn't that much space kind of in between the switchbacks. So I'll just kind of leave this little bit of footage, and just for you to have a look. Let me know if you've actually done this climb before and tell me what you thought of it. I really liked it, but if you are on your way to the Alps and you want to give this one a bash, if you want to have a look on my Strava, the link to my Strava and the actual the route of it is in a link in the description box below, so feel free to have a little browse around that and have a look at the route. But yeah, I think that is it for this video. I'll leave you with the incredible footage, and I will see you next video.